Before installation, you will receive a custom URL, a username, and a password. You can navigate to the custom URL provided to begin the login and installation process. Please enter the username that was provided. This will be in the form of an email. Enter the password that was provided. Click the Sign In button to continue. If this is your first time logging in, you may be prompted to change your password and will be presented with a QR code to set up your MFA authenticator. Once your password has been reset and your MFA authenticator has been validated, enter your authenticator code here. Click the Sign In button. When logging into your dashboard for the first time, most screens will be blank because there is no data to display yet. To continue the installation, click the Settings tab. Here, you'll choose the installation option. On the installation page, you will have a serial number. Please copy that code as you will need it in one of the following steps. The RansomStop installer is used for physical and virtual devices. In this particular instance, we are installing it on Windows, so choose the Windows installer. After you choose the Windows installer option, you will find the installation package in your download folder. Extract the installation package. Choose Extract All at this point. After the extraction is complete, you will see the installer. The installer is located at the path chosen during the extraction process. The default is in the same folder where the installation package was downloaded. When the installation begins, you will see the welcome screen. Choose Next to start the installation wizard. In this step, you will enter the serial key or code that was copied from the previous step. Read the EULA. Check that you have read and agree to the EULA and click Accept and Continue. For standard installations, you can just pick the default installation and click Next. Review your installation settings, and validate that the checkbox is selected to register as a system service. This requires administrator privileges. Click Install to continue. At this point, the installation will begin. At each step during the process, progress will be shown via a progress bar. The system setting can take several minutes, depending on the system's size. When the installation is complete, you will see the Installation Complete screen. Click Finish to close the installation wizard. To validate the installation, we'll see an RS Analyzer directory in your C:\program files directory. New processes will also be created. You can search for RS Exporter and RS Query to validate the installation. At this point, RansomStop should be fully installed and ready to detect ransomware. Thank you.